Today I'm going to show you how to build a stylish wardrobe. Whether you're new into fashion, you want to improve your style, or you're looking to start fresh and build a new wardrobe this year, everything in this video is going to help you achieve that. This video is going to have a list of 14 different items for you to build your wardrobe, starting with pants, shirts, shoes, jackets, and a suit. I will have links for everything in the description. Starting with pants, number one, you're going to need a blue wash denim jean. Depending on your lifestyle, this can be more of a slim straight to help with your dapper or more slim tailored outfits, or a relaxed pair if you more or less work with your hands or you like a relaxed style. Number two is going to be chino pants. This is something that I think every man should have in his wardrobe. This could be a navy or gray pair that you have. This is great for guys who work in an office and professional setting or just have a more of a tailored style. Next on the list for pants is cargo pants. This is an important item and a stylish item that every man should have as well. I personally think that all cargo pant colors are amazing, but there's one in particular I think every man should have. That is going to be olive green. Olive green is going to give you the versatility to wear with all of your outfits. The last pant on the list is going to be a black trouser. No matter if you're a guy that has a more casual style, dapper style, or street style, it is important for every man to have a solid pair of black trousers. This is going to help you if you're going to a wedding, a formal event, or a business occasion. Now for shirts. The first shirt that every guy is gonna need to be able to layer and have a stylish wardrobe is gonna be a solid white tee or black tee. There are so many different styles for t-shirts these days, but I'm gonna keep it simple with just three. This can be a slim, cropped, or boxy tee. The second shirt on the list is going to be a polo shirt. I personally think that a sweater polo is the most stylish and modern shirt that you should have. Shirts like this are very popular at Abercrombie or Express. They're really comfortable to wear and really easy to layer. I personally like layering a sweater polo up under a cardigan, blazer, or even a jacket. And the last shirt that I think is so important for every man to have is a white dress shirt. And I'm talking clean, crisp white dress shirt. This is one of the most worn items by every man in his life. This is gonna be able to pair great with those black trousers that we talked about in the pants section. The next section on this list is jackets. And if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you join my community and hit that subscribe button and like the video. And also check out my spring style guide that will be coming out in March. The first outerwear piece on the list is gonna be a hoodie. A hoodie is an essential piece that I think every man should have and look stylish on every guy. The colors that you want to stick to are going to be neutrals. I personally think you should have a black, brown, or gray hoodie. I like oversized, but I also like slim hoodies to layer up under other items. Next on the list is going to be a shirt jacket or flannel. As you can see, I'm wearing one today, and this makes it really easy to pair with those t-shirts and cargos. Shirt jackets are a great way to not go all the way dressed up, but also still staying stylish and modern at the same time. You can get shirt jackets from Abercrombie, Southern Gents, or even Mango. The last outerwear piece on the list is going to be a bomber jacket, but also depending on your style, if you're a little bit older, I think a trucker jacket would be a better buy than a bomber jacket. So let's say you're 35 and below, I think a bomber jacket works best. If you're 35 and older, I think a trucker jacket is a great buy. This also depends on your style as well. A suede trucker jacket particularly is my favorite. For a bomber jacket, I think getting something with some texture in it is a great way to bring more functionality to all of your outfits. Now moving on to footwear. I think the first shoe that every guy needs in his wardrobe is going to be a white minimal sneaker. You can get this from Thursday Boots, Common Projects, though that's a little expensive, or Steve Madden. The next footwear piece is going to be a loafer. You can get a more dressy loafer or a casual loafer. A casual loafer is going to be a little bit more chunky that you can wear with jeans and some socks. And then a more dressy loafer is going to be a tassel or penny loafer. And the last footwear piece on the list is going to be boots. Every man needs a pair of good boots in his wardrobe. I would stick with a brown or black color for your boots, and I suggest going with either a Chelsea or lace-up. This also depends on your style as well. I like Chelsea boots because they're easy to slip on, and I may be a little bit lazy sometimes, but I also like lace-ups for a more masculine, tailored look. And the last item on the list that I think is important for every man to have, no matter who you are, is a suit. Now there's two colors in particular that I find I get the most versatility out of, and that is a navy and a brown suit. Both are professional and can be worn in a multitude of different settings. Right now, my navy suit is in the cleaners, so you're gonna see my brown suit. Particularly in my life right now, my brown suit has been getting the most wear and I love it. But if you're more of a guy who likes to wear navy, then this is a great option as well. Just make sure it's tailored to fit you the right way. And what I really do love about these particular items is that you can break them up and still wear them different ways with the other items that are on the list. And thank you for watching the video today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that like button and watch this video if you're trying to create a more minimal wardrobe.